Hi everybody, welcome to Mixed Media Made Easy subscription kit, and this is the June kit. And as you can see here, we have this pretty blue cigar box with these beautiful glittery flowers and butterflies. I'm going to open it up, even paint the inside. This would make a great little keepsake box or jewelry box. So let's get started. So you're going to get a plain wooden box. There's to be a sticker on the back that'll just peel right off. Okay. And then we're going to do a texturing technique on top. So I'm going to take the white tissue paper that came in your kit. And this is about a 10.5 inch square. Okay. And I'm going to just wrinkle it up slightly. Now I'm going to take some tacky glue and I'm going to cover the surface. I'm just going to open this right up and get to a big blob of it. And I'm going to use, you can use a paintbrush to spread this around, or I prefer a foam brush. Okay, there we go. Alright, so I'm going to take my foam brush and spread this around. I want a nice thin coat. Even. It doesn't take much, as you can imagine, it doesn't take much to keep this tissue paper in place. Just enough to tack it down, because once it's dry we're going to paint over it and that will just seal it on for sure. Okay. Alright. I'm going to take this and just crinkle it up. And if some gets on the edges, goes over the edges, that's just fine. But we want to make sure that all the edges are indeed covered. You can lift it up a little bit. And we're just pressing that down. Look at those nice wrinkles on there. Okay, like that. And then I'm going to take the brush with glue. And I've just got way too much overhang on this, so I'm going to cut some of it off. Take that glue on the sides and just tack down that overhang right there, and like that. Okay, so after this dries, you know, maybe 15 minutes, 20 minutes tops, let this dry, and then we're going to paint the entire box inside and out, and we'll come back and see what that looks like. See you for step 2.